Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a source code or source code files from Emergent AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and head on over to Emergent AI and sign into your account. Then find the application where you'd like to export the source code from. So I've got one here. This is a weight loss tracker application I have been working on. Now what we want to do is click on open preview to see the code. So I'm going to click on open preview. Now we got code here. So click onto code. Now the code is behind a paywall here. So we can try it for free to access your code. So I suggest signing up to the free version. So free for first month, cancel anytime. If you really enjoy the platform, I suggest subscribing to them. And if you use it quite a bit to support them as a creator. So yeah, go ahead and sign up. Then from there, you're going to be able to see your code and you'll be able to download it once you've subscribed to their free or paid subscriptions.